Select the FileMaker Go icon and then choose the loader. You may have other apps already, but the loader is where you'll download the rest of the applications as we release them. You'll see a list of the available apps on the left-hand side. In this video, we'll download the Accident Notify app. So you'll just go ahead and hit the Accident Notify button, and all you have to do is push the button that says download, and that will download the latest version. Once the application is downloaded, it'll open the app automatically. Depending on where you are and how good your connection is, it may take between 10 seconds and maybe a minute to 2 minutes at the worst. It looks like it's frozen, but it's not frozen, so you'll just have to be a little bit patient. But this only has to happen when major updates come out, so it's not something that you'll have to do often. The first time that you open the application, you'll just need to type in your username, which is the name before your Drywall email address. Then it'll download all of the jobs and the supers and new employee names, so you'll have the latest information. The next screen, you'll enter the job number. You can either pick it by number or enter the job name. Either way, you can go through all of those jobs. The city and GC will automatically populate, and then you'll select the accident severity. You can type in the employee name if you want, or you can go through the list and find the employee that way. After that, you'll enter a brief description of the injury. In this example, I've sprained my wrist fixing some computers. Once this form's filled out, you'll hit the submit button, and it will be submitted to the safety department as well as the job team. If you find that you can't find your job in the list, if it's a newer job, or there's a new employee that was injured or that needs to be entered somewhere into the form, you may have to push the sync button. What this does is it goes back to our employee records and updates them all and brings in any new records that have been created. So if there's a new guy out on your job that got injured, or you have a brand new job and you haven't synced this application since that job started, you may need to sync it again. It's a pretty quick process. It takes maybe 15 seconds. It brings in all the jobs and everything you need, and you only have to do it once in a while, and that's only if you have a new job that you're working on that hasn't already been entered into the system. When you're done, you can hit the log out button on the top right, and that'll return you to your list of all the California Drywall Peer Assist apps.